What's going on, guys? Low Boys Garage back at it again with another video, and today we are putting a new short throw shifter in my Subaru. And the only reason I'm really doing one is because I was dumb when I got this shift knob. It comes with like a little stop, and when I put it on and I had the stopper up on the shift knob so the actual knob would stop spinning, it would still spin. So I decided it would be smart to put just a little bit of super glue on that shift knob to get it to stop spinning, in which that worked. But I can't get it off now. So I resorted to, just getting another short throw, which is dumb in my part, but it's okay. We learn from our mistakes. And the only downfall is this one is a more eBay one, and I do believe I had this apart at one point. I believe the one that's in this car already is a Cartboy, so that's kind of disappointing. But it's a short throw shifter, so there shouldn't be that big of a difference. I mean, yeah, the name brands should be better, but I'm sure it'll feel almost the same to me. So in my opinion, I'm fine with it, but just to learn from your mistakes, do not put even a dab, not even a little dot of super glue on your shift knob, because it will not come off. I've had multiple friends try to get it off and it will not come off. So yeah, just don't put super glue on your shift knob. That's all I have to say. But yeah, so let's get right into this video. See, it's kind of a bad angle, but this piece right here you will take off. I'll try to get it here. It's hard to see. I grab it by the ends or the sides, and then I'll pull it out. There is a clip under here, so be careful. Once that's undone, you can pull that piece and take that out. You can just put that to the side, which I'm going to put it back there. So that's out of the way. And then if I remember correctly, you will just, it should be just a pulling thing. Yeah. Just lift up these, and then you just kind of lift up and slide it out, in which I got lucky since I did this Crown Royal shift boot idea, which I want to get rid of, but it kind of came in handy since I was dumb and put super glue on that shift knob. But I gotta untie it here. But yeah, so I can open this up. So I can get it over the shift knob. Just gotta loosen it. And all I have to do is just open that up a little bit so it can go over the shift knob. And pull this out. I don't think there's sensors or anything I have to unplug. Oh, I forgot I left the stock shift boot on here when I put this the Crown Royal one on. So yeah, when I figure that out, I will grab the camera again, because that's probably not going to be fun to get off with the shift knob there. So yeah, see you in the next clip. Alrighty, so I got piece out, which I ended up just cutting the bottom of the old shift boot because you don't see it anyways. So I'm gonna put that in the back also, because we don't need it right now. Maybe I should just leave it like that. What do you guys think? I'm kidding. But yeah, this shift knob is on there. Can't even explain it. Like, I've tried so many times, I just gave up. It's whatever. So next you will need a 12mm for that nut right there. You'll also need another wrench to hold onto this head of the bolt. So I'll try to get the light down there so you guys can see that, and then I'll also try to get the camera down in there. Alrighty, so now that this is loose, it's all ready to come out. I've heard you just kind of like put it in fourth gear and you like slap it in there, I guess, and then the old one should come out. Kind of nervous because I don't want to break anything, but what else can we really do? So I'm nervous. All right. Oh, I guess you don't really need a slap. Okay, don't do that, but you know, I would say you don't really need to slap it in there. I think you can just kind of put it in there and then budge it out. But so yes, this indeed was a cart boy, if it'll focus. Try to get out of the frame. Yeah, cart boy short throw shifter. Kind of disappointed because I really like these ones. I was gonna buy another one, but I just couldn't spend $150 right now just for a short throw when they all kind of do the same job anyways. So I'm gonna clean up in this area, clean up in the hole, and then I'm gonna I have grease right here, just some like kind of like general purpose grease. I would recommend like a white lithium grease or whatever that's called, and I would use that in there. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean that out, clean around it too while I'm here because it's kind of dirty, and then I'm gonna slap grease in there and be generous with it. Also put some grease on here and then get this thing bolted in. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is grease this up. Just pop this cover off here. Make sure you have a nice little rag here so you can wipe your hands after. But yes, we'll just grab a little bit of grease. Alrighty, for the next part, if you get this short throw shifter, it'll come with this little sleeve in a bag. Don't want that falling out, but so before you smack it in, I recommend a rubber mallet. But if you don't have a rubber mallet, you can use a piece of wood on top of the short throw and a normal hammer, just so you don't mess up the threads for the shift knob. But I recommend before you hit it in, you have this sleeve in there, because otherwise little ball bearings will come out, and that's not going to be too fun to fish out of the transmission area and put back in. So try to get a good view for you guys. As you guys can hear from that, it's in. Which I was taking a while to get in because I wasn't hitting it hard enough. But leave that sleeve in there because you will actually need that. I believe there's these two little plastic pieces you'll put on the ends of that little like sleeve so that it makes it the full width, because the shift fork is a certain width obviously, and the new short throw isn't wide enough, so they give you that sleeve and then these pieces to go in between so that it holds it tight. So yeah. Grab you can use the OEM bolt. Okay, try to get it back in here.
nut back on. So actually, I bolted it in, and I did notice the fork here hits this little like border support thing. I was watching a video actually, and everyone's chopping just this little edge out so that shifter fork can move freely. So, and I don't know if this is a factory thing, but it looks like someone already like cut into this one and like bent it up. But I'm just gonna finish it off and just cut it completely out. Alrighty, so got the plate out. As you can see, this was cut at one point and they just bent it up, so I'm just gonna finish it off so it won't be there anymore and there won't be any troubles at all. Alrighty, as you can see, I did cut, just squared it off, cut that, so hopefully now that will make the difference and make this whole thing work. Alrighty, hardware, start them. I'll try to get a better view for you guys here. And make things go faster, you got the drill. So I'm gonna zip that in there. Just a couple ooga-doogas, if that's what you want to call them. A couple extra don't hurt. And then get that, the last one. Sorry if that's loud, I don't know, but all right. Now, as you can see, that shifter doesn't come nowhere near that structure, like base border thing. So now we should be able to bolt this actually in there. Okay, so now we're actually gonna bolt this thing in. Should be good after that's being cut. So we'll get these washers. Put those on there. Which I am actually going to use an extra one. I gotta put the camera down for this. Third gear feels weird, but I don't know if that's normal. Or my third gear could be going out, because, you know, Subaru 5 speeds, if you know them, they're crap. But, so yeah. Now we just gotta reverse everything and put everything back in. To plug, it's for the mirrors, if yours, which I believe every Subaru is like that, at least the older ones. So don't forget to plug that in. And also make sure you put the e-brake through this little hole slit. So I like to do it where I just slide it on, angle it up, take the plug, plug it in, hear the click, slap it all down, and click, 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 and there it is. And that is how you do a short throw shifter install on, I believe that would be 02 to 07 WRXs. Yeah, so that'll be fun. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. We have more content coming out. We're trying to push content out. I'm trying to get on a schedule. I really want you guys to enjoy these videos. I'm trying my hardest right now. So please help and support me by liking and subscribing and sharing the video. Comment whatever you would like. I will read them and I'll try to reply to anyone that comments. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay low, boys.